Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews here, and I stopped at Home Depot this morning and I picked up Milwaukee Hole Dozer. I picked up, what size is this? I picked up a 3-inch one. I mainly picked this up to go through my studs because I need to run 2-inch pipe for, what's that called? For my laundry project that I'm putting up for my tenants to install a washer and dryer upstairs for them, for my new tenants that are going to hopefully be here in a couple of months that we're going to rent to. They should be here and we're going to give them a washer and dryer, make it easier for them. And so this is what I got from Home Depot. I don't know if these are newer than the other ones because the last time I bought a hole saw was probably about 3 to 5 years ago. And then I bought a bunch before that, but the last time I bought one. So I don't know if they changed the design or made them better, and sheet metal. I never used it for thick metal. I know I didn't. So anyway, I didn't know that warranty is on there. Let me know if you guys, please in the comments, let me know if you ever use this warranty on the hole saws and Milwaukee and it actually works, because I would love to know that, because I do have one that's busted, but it busted many, probably 3 to 5 years, probably 5 years ago it busted, and it got melted. So I'm not sure. I don't know if the warranty or whatever. Let me know in the comments. So all access slots, all this other shit it says on it. Let's open it up. It's just this piece of plastic on it, pretty much. So yeah, that's it. That's me unpackaging it. We're gonna go test it out in a second in the closet. You're gonna see where I'm testing it out and how I'm gonna use it, and you're gonna see how easy it goes through the wood that's in there. I think it's 2-inch by 8-inch wood, so it's 2-inch thick, by 8-inch. So we're gonna see how quick it goes through that and eats it, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So we'll be right back. All right, everyone, we're back. We're gonna drill through with this bulldozer, 4-inch, 3-inch, whatever I got. Let's see how good. I'm gonna go through to the right. I know you're not gonna be able to see everything. I tried to get what I could because I'm in the closet, and yeah, that's like the best that I could do for you guys seeing. I'm gonna drill a hole next to that, next to those holes right there. Not directly, but you know what I mean. So, all right. Now remember, this isn't a high torque drill, just to let you guys know. So have the same expectation as me as well. My high torque drill is in my rental property because I'm working over there. I had to do cement work, so I used the high torque to mix cement. So I left it over there, and I don't feel like driving 25 minutes to the house to get it. So I'm just going to use the drill that I have. It's a skill saw from like 1980. The torque is probably trash. I just hope it doesn't burn out. These aren't small. This is only a 3-inch hole, so I should be fine. If you take your time, just with hole saws, always be careful. I burned out a DeWalt drill about 5 years, not longer than that. Probably like 15 years ago. 15, 20 years ago, I burned out a DeWalt drill by trying to drill a 6-inch hole. And it wasn't even into like metal; it was into wood, cabinet, cheap wood, the compressed poly crap board stuff, that really cheap stuff. The press board or whatever, but it's glued together. I mean, I don't know how well it was glued together, but yeah, that thing killed my blade. I had to do like 3-4 holes for a restaurant. And the saw started smoking. I was like, oh man, what happened? Then it really started smoking. So I took it, I threw it in a bag, and then I threw it in their freezer. Because their freezer was like negative 15 degrees. So I threw it in the freezer, I took it back out, and then every time I used it, it would stink up the room. So I had to throw it in the garbage. It was, I couldn't repair it. It just stunk every time I used it. I couldn't use that with customers. So that turned into garbage. So just to let you guys know, be careful when you're using hole saws in big sizes, and if you don't have the right drill, you could still do it, but you have to take your time, be slow, let the drill do the work, don't press, all tools are designed for them to do the work, but I don't think I can stand on this side and drill for you. I mean, maybe I will try for you, just so I'm out of the way, and then you guys can see what's up, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that angle. Okay, ready? Let's see how it goes. A brand new blade. Let's see what my cheap old fucking drill. Oh, and this goes very fast. It's variable speed, but I have to hold the drill to halfway, and it's annoying. I like when the new drills have a click, clickety click, a high and low. You just put it in low when you're doing this kind of work. But no, this doesn't have a low, so you're gonna see me stab my arm and probably hurt it, but it's cool. We'll figure it out. So I got to break that out, but that went through very easily. Obviously, it's brand new. I mean, what's the expectation? You're right. You want it to go through. That was the plan, and it's just wood. But you guys saw how much it ate up that hole, and that's thicker. I think that's a little bit thicker than a 2x4. I think that's like a 2x8. Maybe it's, I don't know, but that's how thick it looks. You guys can see. That's how quick it went through. I went through the whole depth of that hole saw, just to let you know. I went to the base, so I'm gonna pop that out and then I'm gonna drill it again. But just to let you know, it did go through really easy, ate through really easy. That was only the first one. I'm gonna do only 2 more cuts in this wood, and then that's all I'm gonna do for the day. But like I said, it was pretty sweet. Even with this cheap setup that I got, I hurt my arm on the side because, like I said, everyone be careful that anything when you're using that, you need high torque. Alright, so, yeah, that was a review of that, pretty much. And, I guess you can call it an update and a little, review of my, what's that called? My project. That's where I'm running my washer and dryer, just to let you guys know. I'm going to run the drain line through there and into the kitchen of the tenants. Alright, and then we're going to run it down in this wall. I'm not going to run it in the wall up here. I'm going to run it in a channel outside the wall to make it easier, because I don't want to mess with that. And this is a closet, so who the hell cares? So, yeah. So, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures. I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright? Well, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out. We'll see you guys later.